Hi, it's Dylan and Jordan again, and we're talking about animal adaptations. In my backyard, local little birds, a sparrow I think, had 3 baby hatchlings, and we have them right here. They're out of the nest and they're just looking, and the parents are crowing at us, and just try to scare us off, but we're not scared. But we don't want to get pecked in the eyes.
I'm not scared.
Okay.
Someone threw a rock at them.
So animal adaptations, like their habitats and stuff, you'll be learning about that in Miss Cannon's class. Do you have any?
Well, do you want to zoom,
There. Do you
if
see
you
them?
can see them, zoom in a little bit if you need to. You can kind of see, there's 3 of them, but you can only see 1 or 2 up in there.
One's moving.
One of them's moving, actually.
Where?
Up in there.
Right there is where they are.
See the beak of the one right there?
There's one right there.
And then the tail and the wings of the other one.
Now they're adapting they can't fly right now.
But they're growing up.
So they're just chilling out in the tree. But once they're able to fly, they will be able to fly away.
And they'll move away from our house, which will make us
And they're
sad.
also adapting to the heat, which they are in shade right now, eating away from the sun so they don't, burn up.
Here's another adaptation.
This is my dog, Buddy.
And he adapts by
Panting.
when he's hot, which makes him cool off. So that's 2 for you right there.
All animals live in a habitat, community, or in groups, which help them survive. Like birds, they eat worms, fruit, stuff like that.
The mom will feed it to them though by puking it up in their mouth. If you didn't know that, it's gross, but that's how they do.
Here's one more shot.
And
Here is the birds one more time.
the birds one more time. You can see them. And
Look how far you got it zoomed.
this one is in the habitat of a tree. Most birds live in trees and nests.
Or cactuses.
Most dogs will live in
Houses.
houses
Or a pound.
or pound, which is sad.
Or street, which is even sad.
But, birds all have, or not birds, but animals all have their adaptations. And here are a few of them that we just exampled. Thank you
For watching.
for watching.
And you'll love Miss Cannon's
You'll
class.
love Miss Cannon. She's a very
Just
awesome
like us.
lady. So
Thank you.
don't give
Signing
me
off.
crap, or I'll come after you. Okay, bye. I love you. JB.
This is a football
At rest.
at rest.
This is news football. And the object at rest stays at rest. And the object in motion
Now
stays
it's in motion.
in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
Woo, physics.
With
This is
different
what you're going to
velocities, of
learn
course.
in Miss Cannon's class. So, here we go.
Newton's second law.
Irvan can't catch, but that's an example of
This is Newton's second law.
Newton's first law.
The more force he exerts, the farther it goes. But he's a terrible quarterback, so we don't know.
Let me be quarterback.
No.
Oh,
How about you go out for a pass and Irvan videotapes?
all right. Here, Irvin, videotape it. It's still
hold it.
going. Put it over your
Okay.
neck. Okay.
Okay, here's Dylan going out by a pass. And the unbalanced force and a balanced force is reacting on the ball, and the air is acting on the ball. Maybe decreasing the speed or changing the rotation of the ball. Here we go. See?
Yeah, Randy Moss.
Dylan can catch.
Okay, now let's do Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
So, if I take this ball and I kick it, the opposite reaction is it's going to go in the air.
Let me kick it.
I got it.
No, let me kick. No, let me kick.
See? Equal and opposite reaction.
Fine, I'll-
So, the reaction is me kicking it. It's going to go somewhere.
Irvan, watch him and then put this in.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Here's third law. Swag. Okay, I think this is enough. Still going.
No, what are you doing? You're gonna electrocute yourself. What? I didn't know. Oh wait, metal's a conductor of electricity and heat. Oh, that was the wrong thing to do. Instead, you should either use plastic or rubber so you don't get burned or electrocuted. Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is Dylan, and we're going to be talking to you about electricity. Electricity is what's all around us. It fuels lights and light bulbs and plugs into, it charges our phone, and lightning is electricity too.
There are different types of electricity. You can, electricity. There could be static electricity. So if I were to rub my feet against the carpet and I touch Jordan's, you could be shocked. So it goes to our body from one to the other. And of course, like I said, there's electricity to do all of our daily life things. So
you never want to put metal into an outlet or something that runs through electricity, because metal is a conductor of heat and electricity, and you could burn yourself or electrocute yourself and die. So instead, use rubber or plastic.
that is our electricity.
Remember, no water around the outlets. You'll get electrocuted. Be careful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Signing off. Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Noah.
This is my brother, and today we're going to be talking about genetics. Genetics is where your dad and your mom's genes, or Punnett squares that you make in science with this cannon, well, you either get a dominant, recessive, or a hybrid gene. Well, I have the recessive gene for shortness, and Noah here has the dominant gene for tallness. As you can see, he is taller than me. And, well, my dad is kind of tall, and he takes after my dad, and I take after my mom's side. So it's not that good for me, but it's pretty good for Noah. But he's ugly, and I'm beautiful. So. Thank you for being here with Jordan and Noah talking about genetics.
Hey kids, you like candy? You want to get my car? Psych! Be safe! And here's some safety tips to help you not die in science class. First, wear goggles while dealing with chemicals.
Hey guys.
Unless you like to be blind.
Let's say we're goggles.
This is an example.
It's in style.
Okay. Second, waft the chemicals instead of sniffing them hardcore. Don't do that. Waft them, okay? 3, tell a teacher if you spill immediately. Oh no! You spill, what are you going to do? Tell the teacher. You understand?
Ooh, you spilled.
4, don't eat in the lab or, especially dealing with chemicals. Can't eat in the lab, Irvan, sorry. And the 5th thing, do not wear low-hanging shirts, bracelets, and tie your hair up.
These are so fashionable.
I'm sorry, Irvan, can't die today.
Dang it.
But if you want hair to glow in the dark or catch on fire, then don't listen to me.
I'll be like, that's how you be safe.
That's all the safety things for you today. I'm Dylan, and that's Irving.
And my name's Jordan.
Have a good